Hello everyone, my name is Shankar Hariharan and I'm a product manager at Harness. Today I'm super excited to be talking about Artifact Registry, our newest addition to the AI powered Harness platform. We all know that artifact management is becoming a critical challenge for DevSecOps teams. The data here also tells a very compelling story. Developers spend precious hours managing scattered artifacts. Security teams face constant vulnerability concerns. Policy enforcement lacks consistency, and traditional registries simply can't scale with growing organizations. What makes Harness Artifact Registry different is that we have reimagined it as the backbone of modern DevSecOps practice, not just for storing artifacts, but seamlessly integrating with your developer workflows, enforcing security, and scaling with your needs. Let me demonstrate these capabilities in action. Starting with code repository. Here we have a sample Python application that is stored in Harness code repository. I click on it, I see a Docker file here. We will use this to create our container image. Next, let us take a look at the pipeline that is used to build this application and deploy it. Here in the build stage, we see we have a Docker build and push step. We click on this and we see that we have first-class integration with Harness Artifact Registry. It is selected by default. All you have to do is choose the registry where you want to push the built artifacts as well as the image name and the tags. That's about it. Similarly, when it comes to deployment, you essentially have to add Harness Artifact Registry as an artifact source to your service configuration. As you look at the service configuration, you will see that I've already added Harness Artifact Registry as an artifact source, and it is very easy to do that. Simply choose your registry from where you will pull the image from, along with the image name and the tag. So as you see, zero manual setup. All of the authentication and configurations are automatically handled between the Harness modules. Now, let's go and look at Harness Artifact Registry. Here, you will see all of the registries configured for your project. Now, I know that the sample Python app is being pushed to the Docker dev project, so I click on it. I immediately see two tabs. One for artifacts, that is all of the artifacts that are present in this registry. Second is configuration, all of the configuration information related to the registry. You can enable built-in container scanning. What this means is that by default, any of the images that are pushed to the registry will be scanned by Aqua-Trevi open source scanner by default. Now, going back to the artifact, let us click on the version 1.0 and click on the scan status here. As you can see here, you will be quickly taken to the vulnerability information related to the artifact. Similarly, you have the SBOM tab where you will see all of the SBOM related information for the artifact. You also have the artifact details, which is essentially all of your Docker layers as well as the manifest. You will also have information about which instances you have deployed this artifact to. So in essence, you have complete end-to-end traceability of the artifact. Now, you can clearly see now, Harness Artifact Registry is a fully integrated solution that enhances your software delivery workflow from code to deployment with security built in at every step.